Guys, you were warned. What are you doing? 9th, call the police. Do not worry.
Do not care.
Can you not film me?
He's not filming you, he's filming me in a public place.
Japan is moving fast.
This is a shop parking lot, not a drifting area.
I see you are so confident in your glasses.
Let's go, shall we?
Tomorrow. Guys, the situation is as follows. In order to defeat a fast motorcycle, such project cars must ride with a tuner. So I took my friend, Oleg Zaitsev, who will pump this car for me, because I drive in normal times only on 1,000 horsepower. And now my friend Oleg will do wonderful manipulations in order for us to feel very confident, just very confident, remember this phrase. Very confident. Well, what will be the boost? 2 and 2 kg boost, and it was 1 and 9 kilograms. Well, let's try 2 and 2. Oleg, what gear are 2 and 2 in? Because we already had it all. The first 1.5, the second 1 and 7, from the third 2 and 2, I'm going to write logs. Anyway, guys, that's what custom tuning and tuners are for. We tuned the car today at 2.5 pounds. I think that's roughly 1,200 plus horsepower. That's about 1,200 horsepower total. Let's go.
Guys, you were warned. What are you doing? 9th, call the police. Snapshots, cameras. This is a parking lot for the store's cars, not a drifting and filming area. You can't spin around here.
Oh, we can't? Sorry, we won't do it again. Do not care.
What's going on?
Well, your guys, I guess.
These are not ours. What is this drift, guys? They will kick us out. We are here to drink cocoa.
What are these lines for? You paint them black.
They are difficult.
It's not allowed to shoot video here, you understand? Cut out the camera. You behave childish.
What? I didn't drift. Don't get old, bro. What's going on?
Can you not film me?
But he doesn't take pictures of you, he takes pictures of me in a public place. Why are you attacking me? Everything is fine. My car is out, old BMW. So, guys, we continue shooting our live video. I love such videos when everything is live, everything is filmed almost in one take. Jixer boy in the frame, this person on our channel represents the moto theme. Yura, tell us who you prepared for us today, and it seems to me that the opponents are rather weak.
Sergey, do you know that very few motorcyclists want to ride with you? I put up a post the week before and collected about 10 motorcycles for you. The first one is a Yamaha R1 2006 year. It has about 185 horsepower.
It's a fast bike. How much does it go from 100 to 200?
With a good pilot, I think it's 4 and 2, 4 and 3.
Fast time.
Enough, yeah. Look here.
Wait, we have a pink Diavel in the frame.
In short, this is not Diablo. He is joking with me. This is JSR 600. He just came to stand, show off his pink steering wheel. I think that we will move on.
Он просто приехал постоять красивым рулем, посветить розовым. Я думаю, что мы пойдем дальше.
It's a Honda CBR 1000XX, quite an old bike, but it was once one of the fastest bikes in the world, setting a top speed of around 300.
Many will say that you brought some old motorcycles. Do you have something fresh?
It's MT-09, we just skip it.
We are not missing. I'll explain why. The pilot on this particular bike humiliated me on my Audi R8, and today I want to show you the difference, how much faster BMW than was Audi R8.
This is Honda 929, there's about 150 horsepower, also quite an old bike, but I think they'll compete side by side. Next we have Kawasaki ZXR14. Here's a liter 400 motor. It's a 200 horse sport tourist. It's on a little tuning, exhaust, some more suspension, zero filter. Should go fast. This is our Suzuki GSR K7 K8, 2007-2008 year. It's got 185 horses from the factory, a liter motor, reliable, Japan, goes fast.
185 лошадей, литровый мотор, надежный, Япония, ебаша.
Hello everyone, Vlados is with you, and I am the person who almost always stays behind the scenes. And you rarely see me, but now is not about that. Why I am here, and not Sergey, I will tell you now. I never understood people who drive hatchbacks, these Skoda Fabia, Golf, a third. I didn't realize this until I drove around in loaded hot hatches. You will now see 3 of them on the screen. Here there will be 3 pictures. I'm currently considering buying one of these hot hatches for my own use. Write what you think this car is. Our partners are the Global Auto Import. I have already called the guys, roughly announced to them the parameters of the car, and what I need. Next season I will come out and appear in Sergey's videos more often. Don't forget, Global Auto Import, cars from USA, cars from Europe, links are all in the description.
Please tell me, if I overtake all these motorcycles today, is there a motorcycle that will stand up for them?
Look, I didn't take my bike here on purpose to see how the races go. Maybe someone will overtake you, or maybe not. I have the same bike, the same GSR, just with modifications, and it has about 200 horsepower, so if you overtake everyone, of course, I will bring my GSR and we will definitely race with BMW.
Конечно же, я выкачу свой джиксер, и мы обязательно заедем с Бимером.
In order for Yura to bring his GSR, the stars must align, we must turn, move the planet off its axis, but we will try to do this tonight. Okay, stop talking, let's go to battle. Very confident. We raced with two 600 cubes, a total separation from him, total 900 cubic meters, but so far we are in the lead, but the motorcycle has already begun to struggle. Your predictions for 1 liter, what do you say?
I think that at the beginning they will overtake you. This is 100%. I think that the body and a half, then I think you will catch the grip, and at about 270-80 you will overtake. I think so.
The stakes are rising, guys, place your bets, and please subscribe, like, bell, again I will whine that there are not 100,000 of us. 1, 2, 3. Guys, the races are as juicy as possible. To be honest, we are ahead of one motorcycle without question, but the R1 fights with us quite strongly. We overtake this motorcycle, but already at 300 kilometers per hour, maybe a little less. Guys, our races are over, and you know, I expected something like this. Firstly, I want to summarize, such design and ultra-powerful cars should, of course, be driven with a tuner. Many thanks to Oleg Zaitsev for taking the time, coming and adding power to me. Let me remind you, I drove 2 1/10 kilograms before, it was about 1050 horsepower, or more precisely, 900 wheel power, it was supercharging 2 1/12 kilograms. Oleg Zaitsev arrived, and we added up to 2.5 kilograms. Of course, we received, approximately, about 1200 horsepower. That allowed me to easily deal with interesting cool motorcycles. As for the races, guys, 600 are not rivals, 750, 850, 900 and even sports tourists in 400 liters. The same thing, only sports leaders can compete with this car. And you know, it turned out to be an interesting and hot fight, but anyway, I catch up with all these motorcycles to a maximum of 270-80 kilometers per hour, so I'm waiting for interesting rivals. While we are confident in ourselves, we can add another 100 horsepower here, let me remind you, and, of course, remove the operator. The average time during our races was around 4 seconds. That's all for me. Serdjio was with you, let's go.
If you overtake everyone, of course, I will bring my GSR and we will definitely race with BMW. Well, Sergey. Yesterday you raced fast bikes. Are you ready to race with more serious vehicles today? I see you are so confident in your glasses.
Confident. I tore up a few of those bikes yesterday on this babe.
What do you think of my bike going a quarter in 10 seconds, and going from 100 to 200 in 4 seconds?
I do not believe.
And now we will check.
Let's check.
Well, Sergey, interesting?
This is madness. I'm ready. From the frame, we're moving on. Can I take? I want to show people a real bull that came from Rovna. What the hell did you do?
For you to pay attention to me.
I noticed you 5 years ago. What do you say? Do you like it?
What about me?
So say, do you like it?
Do you like?
Well, yes, well, how do you like it, Sergey? Do you like? This will be for the race that was before this. You say, what is going on? What kind of people are these?
Sergey, do you like it?
Well, not really. Now I don't drive without a tuner anymore, so... I'm tired of these, damn it, someone's ass went naked.
How do you feel about my motorcycle going a quarter in 10 seconds, and going 100 and 200 in 4 seconds?
I do not believe.
And now we will check.
Let's check it out. It was okay, damn, it was okay, honestly.
I see, are you brazen in your glasses? I see, are you confident in glasses?
Yes.
And that's it?
Yes.
Let's do it again, yeah.
It was good too.
Come on one more time.
Damn like kids.
I see you are so brave with glasses.
Yes. Self-confident, bro, damn, well, not brave. I imagine how much shit is pouring on me, he already wants to go home, damn.
Wow, seriously, Serdjio shop.
Serdjio shop.
I try, I don't worry, I just try. I want the video to be great.